This tiny turbocharged Japanese camper climbs mountains like a champ, fits in a normal parking space, and still gives you real four-season comfort inside. Today, we're diving into one of the most capable micro motorhomes Japan has built for serious compact travel. It's small, it's smart, it's boosted with a turbo engine, and it's far more powerful than you'd ever expect from something this size. This is the JP Star Happy One Turbo, built on the dependable Daihatsu-based platform, and once you see how much engineering is packed into this compact body, you'll understand why the turbo version stands in a league of its own. At first glance, you might think it's just another small box-style camper. But the moment you look closer, you realize this is a properly engineered micro motorhome designed for real-world travel, not just weekend novelty trips. It sleeps multiple people comfortably, drives like a compact city van, handles steep climbs with confidence thanks to the turbo, and still delivers the essential comforts you'd expect in a much larger RV. And the best part? It remains small enough to navigate narrow streets and tight parking spaces without stress. Let's start with the exterior. The JP Star Happy One Turbo has a bold, upright stance that immediately separates it from standard K-vans. It's compact, yes, but tall and confident. Dimension-wise, it remains firmly in the micro-camper category. It's short enough to fit into regular parking spaces, narrow enough for urban driving, yet tall enough inside to create a surprisingly open living environment. That height is what makes the interior feel livable instead of cramped. From the outside, you'll notice the matte black side accents, the sharp modern rear lighting, and the clean, vertical body lines. It looks purposeful, functional, less toy-like, more travel-ready, and that's just the beginning. Walk to the side and you'll immediately see that this isn't just a basic camper shell mounted on a van. The body integration is clean. The roofline is extended to maximize vertical space inside, and that extra height completely changes the interior experience. It doesn't feel like you're stepping into a converted cargo van. It feels like a miniature motorhome. Color options range from bright tones like orange and blue to more subtle white and black finishes. The contrast panels give it a slightly rugged look without going overboard. It still feels friendly and compact, but there's a seriousness to it, especially in the turbo trim. Now let's talk about what really matters: usability. The side entry door opens wide, giving you a comfortable step-in height. The door mechanism feels solid and smooth. No awkward multi-step locking system. Just simple, practical access. When you're arriving at a campsite in the rain or carrying groceries, that simplicity matters more than flashy features. Right near the entry point, you'll find an exterior shower hose. Pull it out and you can rinse off muddy boots, sandy feet, or camping gear before stepping inside. It retracts cleanly and stores neatly. This is one of those small details that makes long-term ownership easier. Above the door is a powered side awning. One press on the remote, and it extends outward, creating instant shade. No cranking. No wrestling with poles. In less than a minute, your outdoor living area is ready. Pair that with a couple of folding chairs, and you've got a comfortable setup anywhere. Move toward the rear and you'll notice exterior storage compartments integrated into the body. Long, narrow compartments are perfect for fishing rods, folding tables, tripods, or leveling blocks. Now this is where you realize the details matter. Press the button and the door opens smoothly. No struggle. No awkward sliding. It feels controlled and solid, like it was designed for daily use, and once it's open, the built-in stopper locks it in place. Wind won't slam it shut. It stays exactly where you want it. Inside the door, you get a storage pocket, perfect for quick access items. But here's the part one really like, the blackout shade. When you pull this closed, it completely blocks sunlight. Not partially, completely. Morning light doesn't leak in. Privacy is solid. For a micro camper, that level of isolation changes your sleep quality. Look down. There's a proper side step integrated into the body. Getting in and out feels natural, not like you're climbing into a truck. That's important if you're using this every day. The first thing you notice is brightness. The interior lighting is clean white LED, evenly distributed across the ceiling. Combined with the tall roof, the space feels surprisingly open. You're not ducking. You're not crouching. It feels usable. Immediately near the entrance is the main control panel. It's an LCD-based system that monitors battery levels, water systems, lighting, and interior temperature. The screen dims automatically when idle and brightens when touched. It's intuitive. You don't need a manual to understand what's happening. Let's talk climate control, because this is where many micro campers cut corners. The JP Star Happy One Turbo doesn't. For heating, it uses an FF heater that runs directly off the vehicle's gasoline supply. That means no separate kerosene tank to refill. This camper also includes floor heating. Yes, heated floors in a vehicle this size. And if you've ever camped in winter, you know cold floors can ruin the experience. Even with thick socks, your feet get cold fast. With the heated floor system, warmth radiates from below, making the entire cabin feel cozy. It's adjustable through the control panel, so you can set your preferred temperature and let it do its job. For summer, there's a built-in air conditioning unit integrated into the cabinetry. It's not a bulky rooftop add-on. It's hidden neatly within the interior design. The airflow is strong enough to cool the entire cabin quickly, and surprisingly, it runs quietly. In a micro camper, noise control is critical, and this setup keeps things comfortable. Now, let's move to the kitchen. The countertop has a dark, premium finish that contrasts beautifully with the lighter walls. It feels solid and durable. The sink is compact but functional, with a faucet that delivers steady water pressure from a freshwater tank of approximately 22 liters. That's enough for washing dishes, brushing teeth, and basic cooking needs. The refrigerator is integrated and powered through the inverter system. The breaker panel is clearly labeled, so you know exactly what you're controlling. Even if you're new to RV systems, it feels straightforward and manageable. The microwave is positioned at a practical height, and here's something clever. The sofa backrest can fold partially, allowing the microwave door to open fully without rearranging the entire seating area. That's smart engineering in a small space. Below the counter, storage compartments are thoughtfully arranged. There's space allocated for plumbing and water systems, but you still get usable storage for utensils, cookware, and dry goods. Now let's talk about the living area. The main sofa is thick and supportive. The cushions are dense enough that when converted into a bed, you don't need an extra mattress topper. The upholstery feels durable and comfortable, designed for both sitting and sleeping. Under the sofa, you'll find deep storage compartments perfect for bedding, tools, or larger items. There's also a hidden underfloor storage hatch, ideal for boots, outdoor gear, or emergency equipment. It keeps clutter out of sight while maximizing usable space. Windows line both sides of the cabin. Each window includes a screen and blackout shade. During the day, you get ventilation and natural light. At night, close everything and the interior becomes private and dark. Above, overhead cabinets provide storage for clothing and lighter items. The finish is darker and more refined compared to traditional bright wood camper interiors. It gives the space a more modern, upscale feel, perfect for restful sleep. Above the driver's cabin, there's an extendable bunk bed. It slides out smoothly on rails and locks securely in place. Setup takes seconds once you get used to it. When not in use, it tucks away neatly without intruding on headroom. The rear seating area converts into the main bed. Release the stopper, reposition the cushions, and you have a flat sleeping surface. It's wide enough for comfortable rest and feels stable. The material choice balances firmness and comfort well. And here's what stands out most: balance. The JP Star Happy One Turbo doesn't try to overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on solving real problems. Lack of power? Turbocharged engine. Cold winters? Gasoline heater and heated floors. Hot summers? Integrated air conditioning. Limited storage? Overhead, underseat, and underfloor compartments. Tight parking? Compact K dimensions. Rough terrain? For WD traction. It's engineered around practical travel. You can drive it daily without stress. It fits into regular parking spots. It navigates narrow streets easily. Fuel efficiency remains reasonable thanks to its compact size. Yet when it's time to escape the city, it transforms into a fully functional micro motorhome. And that's what makes the turbo version special. It removes hesitation. It gives you confidence. You're not worrying about hills. You're not worrying about extreme temperatures. You're not worrying about where to park. You're just traveling. For solo adventurers, couples, or even small families who prioritize mobility and efficiency over sheer size, the JP Star Happy One Turbo delivers a complete package. It proves that you don't need a massive RV to travel comfortably. Compact outside, comfortable inside, confident on the road, capable in all seasons. That's the JP Star Happy One Turbo, a true micro motorhome that turns small dimensions into a serious advantage. And that's what makes the JP Star Happy One Turbo so impressive. It doesn't try to be the biggest. It doesn't try to be flashy. It simply solves the real problems of small camper life, power, comfort, and usability in one smart, compact package. Turbo performance for the mountains. 4WD confidence for rough weather. Air conditioning for summer. Floor heating for winter. Full camper functionality in something that still fits in a normal parking space. That balance is rare. If you've ever thought micro campers were too weak, too cramped, or too compromised, the Happy One Turbo proves otherwise. It's proof that smart engineering can beat sheer size. So the real question is this: would you downsize your RV if it meant gaining this much flexibility? Let me know what you think about the JP Star Happy One Turbo in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more detailed camper walkthroughs like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.